Hi everyone and welcome to Simply Cuba. My name is Ursula. Today we've got a Pina Colada challenge. Wow! Because Yoanis and I have been debating who makes it better and whether the Cuban way or my way is better. So, it really comes down to the fact that I never knew Pina Colada had milk powder in it. Given that, I can only go by what I learned whilst working in hospitality, which means we get a blender and in goes some ice. The next thing that we'll put in there is some pineapple. And given the fact that you cannot always get deliciously sweet pineapple, even in Australia, it comes in a can. You pick your own. Personally, I like the stuff in the natural juice. So we also put some juice with it just to make it a bit sweeter and juicier. There goes a fabulously prepared, because we are practicing responsible service of alcohol around here, a shot of Bacardi. Maybe a little bit more, just for good measure. And the next thing, I put it out here because we had a big bucket of coconut milk, but the next thing is coconut milk. And then just to make sure that it's really nice and smooth, and then it helps if you've got a glass. Firstly, we better test it. Very coconutty, but very refreshing. Hope you enjoy, and we'll bring you Yoanis' version next.